An investment that is low cost, actively managed, and delivered three-digit returns in 2020 sounds too good to be true. That is what ARK Invest active ETFs have done in 2020. Maybe that is the reason why everybody is talking about these active ETFs now. They have been around for a very long time, but active ETFs have got people's attention very recently. I think these have been made very popular by Kathy Wood and her ARK Invest ETFs. She had picked up Tesla very early on when major funds were shy or ignorant about the future disruptive potential of this EV company. By doing so, she had made billions of dollars for her investors. For all those who don't know about ETFs, in this video I'm going to talk about what is an ETF to start with, what is an active ETF, how they are different from normal ETFs, who has made them very famous recently, and how you can take advantage of this type of investment financially so that you can have a very big nest egg to retire. Hi, my name is Sunny and welcome to my channel Sunny Snippets. Here, I try to make videos that affect a common man financially. If you're new to this channel, please smash that like button as that will help me with the YouTube algorithm and it will be highly appreciated. So let's try to learn today about the world of ETFs and active ETF in particular. I completely understand this might be a more advanced method of investing, but I will try to make it very simple to understand so that my audience can get a value out of this content. ETF is called Exchange Traded Fund, which is a type of financial security like stock or bond or a mutual fund. ETFs can be structured to track anything like price of an individual commodity. A large, diverse collection of stocks or bonds tracks specific investment styles, stock indices like S&P 500, companies based on geographical locations, etc. So in a nutshell, Exchange Traded Fund or ETF is a basket of securities that trade on a stock exchange just like a stock. So ETF has their price too. Since they are listed on stock exchanges, so their price fluctuates all day long as they are bought and sold based on the number of buyers or sellers at any moment of time. The main difference between an ETF and a mutual fund is that price of ETF fluctuates all day long based on the buying and selling at any particular time. On the other hand, a mutual fund is only traded once a day after the market closes. That means you can take advantage of ups and downs in the market all day long if you invest in an active ETF. As its price moves up or goes down all day long, it helps you to buy dips in the market between its open and close. ETFs have a low expense ratio as compared to mutual funds. In most cases, it makes better deal economically for investors as they save money. Since the ETF holds multiple stocks, so the risk is spread over multiple stocks by giving you a diversification as compared to buying a single stock. Some of the types of ETFs are bond ETFs, industry ETFs that track a particular industry, commodity ETFs that track crude oil or gold, etc., current ETFs, inverse ETFs, active ETFs, etc. As the name suggests, active ETF is the one where its fund manager makes frequent buys and sells in stock market or other securities to generate return for their investors. In some cases, the fund manager does many trades every day, which is a great way to include active management strategies in your investment portfolio. I think active ETFs are more transparent as they are required to reveal all their holdings at the end of each day. It can be a drawback in some cases too, where if you're a fund manager running an active ETF, then by disclosing your stock holdings at the end of the day for which you have done all the research, you are in a way revealing your secret sauce. But personally, I like active ETFs because I get more value for my buck that I pay in the form of fund fees, as now I get the expertise of a portfolio manager who is employing many daily strategies to increase my ETF price. Active ETFs manage a very small portion of the total money managed by ETF industry, but lately they have been getting popular due to returns given by Cathie Wood, who manages ARK's famous active ETFs. As we have known by now, active ETFs have been there for a while, but ARK's ETF, spearheaded by its Chief Investment Officer, Cathie Wood, has catapulted them into limelight. According to ARK's website, they invest across sectors, geographies, and market caps, seeking to identify companies missed by traditional sector-based strategies. And as you can see, ARK has got 5 active ETFs. ARK Innovation ETF, ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF, ARK Next Generation Internet ETF, ARK Genomics Revolution ETF, and ARK's FinTech Innovation ETF. The most important thing that I like about ARK Invest, their investment style in active ETF space, as being summarized by Cathie Wood, and I quote, "Disruptive innovation is often not priced correctly by traditional investment strategies because people may not understand how big the ultimate opportunities are going to be. They are not sizing the opportunities and they are not analyzing the disruption." Close quote. This is what they say is the crux of investment style of Cathie Wood. She could foresee the disruptive nature of technologies Tesla was employing in as early as 2015 when nobody was investing in Tesla. That early conviction in these disruptive technologies laid the foundation for today's success of ARK's ETF. They have Tesla as their major shareholding in some of their funds, and in some cases it is as high as 10% of the value of the fund. Their 5 active ETFs covering a wide spectrum of innovation, disruptive technologies were buying their high conviction stocks in early March 2021 when there was a sell-off in the stock market. As a disclosure, I personally own some of these active ETFs in my portfolio and I was adding when there was a market sell-off. But as a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor but a common Joe on YouTube sharing his personal experiences with his audience. So please consult a financial advisor before investing based on your personal financial situation. As an example, let's see the track record of their innovation ETF ARKK. This chart on their website of December 31st, 2020, this ETF has given a return of 152% in a year along with a 5-year return of over 45%. If you see their other active ETFs, all of them have an awesome 2020 as far as their performances are concerned. Let me be very clear, this is not a paid video for ARK ETFs or anything of that sort. But the only idea behind making this video is to share the information with my audiences to make them more aware of the options available in the market apart from conventional mutual funds. The investment style of Cathie Wood, where she is always looking for the next disruptive technology company, has made her active funds a powerhouse as well as a household name. It is because of this there are large inflows into her ARK ETFs. These large inflows, along with the fact that she had to report her daily trades at the end of the day, makes her life little more difficult as people have started following her trades more closely. This way, at times when they have to make big purchases, they have to spread it over a longer period of time, as often people start buying when they know ARK is buying. This could have increased their acquisition cost because now they are in limelight. People are following her investments daily and there are even websites that helps you do it. But the fact is, if you can only know about their buys and sells at the end of the day, what they do in the day is very hard to guess, and that is where I think they excel. So personally, I'm of the opinion that rather than following her trades every day, buying into her ETF funds at a nominal cost is more effective way for a person who is not that stock savvy or a person who doesn't have much time to do his or her research. This is my take on the topic, what is an active ETF, where I have tried to share the information in a very simplistic way with my audiences, hoping they get some value out of it. If you like the content that I make, please help me and my channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing the content. Thanks for watching. See you next time in the next video on your own channel, Sunny Snippets.